Hadrian's Wall and the Antonine Wall. The Romans built two walls across Great Britain from east to west. These were the northernmost frontiers between the Roman Empire and the undefeated barbarian tribes in the far north. Roman legions started building the first wall in AD 122. It was named Hadrian's Wall after the Roman Emperor Hadrian. Some of the sections of the wall were made of stone, while other sections were made of turf. The length of the wall was 70 miles or 80 Roman miles, which is about 118 kilometers. Along the wall were heavily guarded mile castles, forts, turrets and bridges. Deep ditches on either side of the wall added extra protection. By AD 142, barbarian tribes living north of Hadrian's Wall were proving hard to control. Emperor Antonius Pius ordered Roman legions to build a new wall, the Antonine Wall, further north to control them. Although it had stone foundations, the wall itself was built using turf. It was around 5 meters wide and had 16 forts with small observation towers between each one. A road called the Military Way linked these forts. Along the northern side was a deep, wide ditch. After just 20 years, Roman troops retreated to Hadrian's Wall and the Antonine Wall gradually fell into ruins. Even though the Roman army was well organized and the walls were well built, there were many occasions when the northern tribes broke through Roman defenses. Over the years, the walls were modified and repaired many times. Hadrian's Wall was used for almost 300 years until the Romans left Britain in AD 410.